This is an instructional video demonstrating how to connect the SoClean adapter for the ResMed AirSense10. Disconnect the SoClean fitting. You will no longer need the fitting and attached hose. Remove the original lid from the reservoir by pushing one side of the hinge outward. Lift the gasket from the original lid and transfer it to the new lid. Connect the new lid to the reservoir base. Connect the short reservoir hose with its plastic coupling to the main hose of your SoClean by pushing the plastic coupling into the hose end. The adapter has been installed and your reservoir is now ready for use. Easy disconnect coupling. This coupling will allow you to quickly separate and reconnect your reservoir hose, making it easy to remove your reservoir for filling and maintenance. To use the easy disconnect coupling, hold both sides of the plastic coupling, unscrew, and pull apart. Reverse this action to reconnect the hose. Important, you must reconnect your hose before operating your CPAP. If you fail to do this, the water in your humidifier will be pushed out through the hose and flooding will result. Thanks for watching. If you need further assistance, please contact us at 866-501-3705 or email support@betterrestsolutions.com.